So today I'm carving a coffee scoop, one of my regular size coffee scoops. Nice long handle. So let's start. See, I waxed it out earlier, so it's a bit rough now. So let's clean it up, do the shape first. Shape it a bit. Just cutting to the line here. So. Don't do this cut, it's dangerous if you don't know what you're doing, so don't do it. This is not an instructional video, but just me working. Okay, it's shaping up. Okay, handle is pretty much done here. The shape, wrap shape of the handle. Let's clean the back. See, this is wild cherry, cleans up nicely. Straight from the knife, cut is really smooth. And this is green wood, so it's still moist. Let's clean the back side of the bowl. Okay. Always check the shape, so it's good. Cut the edge here. Okay, it's looking nice now. So now I need to shape the bowl. It's round, so a bit more complex to get a perfectly round bowl. So I have to be really careful here. I want a nice shape, nice round shape here. It's easy to overcut here and okay, it's shaping up one side, looking good. Okay, the other side now. And see, when the handle is thin in this dimension, it has to be thicker here, so you have strength. Okay, it's shaping up. Need to work fast, have a lot of spoons to do today. So I need to do a spherical shape, half dome. Can be a bit complex. Okay. Okay, let's clean the handle. Nice straight cut. Smooth. So prepare it already for the decoration. So okay. So now you see the shape is not really perfect here. So just gonna tweak it a bit. Just to be nice when you hold it here. Okay, it's looking good. Thin it out a bit. Yeah. Looking better. Still. Each piece is unique, so you have to listen to the wood, see where it's going, how it wants to be. Just relax and do it. Have to watch it here, because you can really reduce the size of the ball if you go too much. Keep rounding it and rounding, so. Okay, I think this is quite good now. Let's see how it looks. Let me remove this edge. Okay, not bad. So I'll take this cork now and start to cut like this from one side. So once I establish the cut, you really have to know what you're doing here, because you can cut yourself badly if you don't. Okay. Scorp is a great tool for moving wood fast, and I love them. Okay, it's shaping up nicely now. See? I want more depth here. So I want it to be like 1 tablespoon size. Approximately. I'm not very scientific, as you see. Feel it. With time you develop a feeling for this. Okay. See? We can make a nice ball very fast. Great. Looking good now. I'm just gonna clean up the rim here. Okay, now we can see some imperfections still on this side. So we're gonna just remove a little bit of wood to make it more round. Okay, from this side too. And on the back. So I need to round the back side of the bowl. Needs to be perfect. Yeah, it's looking better. And now I'll clean up the inside of the bowl. Have to be more careful now. Always test the thickness, see where I want even thickness all around. This can be very challenging if you are just starting out. So, okay. I want it pretty much 99% done. So after this, it's going to dry overnight, then finishing cuts in the morning and decoration. Check out some of my videos of decorating these spoons. It's called corrosing. So okay, pretty close to done here. Yeah, not bad. Just want to clean up this little part here. Okay, that's pretty much it. I'm just gonna clean it up here. I want nice edges wherever you feel it with your hand. It's going to be nice to hold. So okay, so just gonna clean it up the back side here to almost finished, so everything dries nicely. If you leave it too thick, it can develop cracks while drying, and so if you do it right, you can basically put it on a stove or whatever. It's going to dry on a radiator. But if you do it wrong, it's going to split. Okay, the thickness is pretty much what I wanted here. And that's it. Coffee scoop done. See? Nice long handle. Can reach deep into a container. Or you can also use it for sugar, for tea, mixing any kind of drink. Versatile. Also for spices and so on.